All right, so one of the last things we're going to do today is we're going to talk about classifying triangles. So there's going to be two theorems that are back to back here, and one of them is going to say that the triangle is obtuse, the other one's going to say that it is acute. So if the square of the length of the longest side of a triangle is greater than the sum of the two squares of the lengths of the other two sides, then the triangle is obtuse. So what that's saying is the longest side, the one that would be opposite a right angle, if that squared is bigger than the other two, then we have to have an obtuse. And remember, obtuse is greater than 90 degrees. Similar will be true to classify it as acute. If that longer side, that c squared, is less than a squared plus b squared, then we have an acute, which is less than 90 degrees. And so if we go ahead and we were to look at these and we wanted to classify these triangles as acute, right, or obtuse, what I'm going to do is I'm automatically just going to choose my longest side. So I know that's my c squared. So I'm just going to say 24 squared equals, and then now I'm going to plug in the other pieces. So 18 squared plus 8 squared. Well, it's important to use your calculator here so you can get these accurate and correct. 24 squared is 576. 18 squared is 324, and 8 squared is 64. So if I add those together, I'm going to get 576 is equal to 388. Well, that's not true. It's not equal to. It's greater than that 388, so this one has to be obtuse. I'm going to do a similar thing here for this triangle as well. So I'm going to find the longest side, which is 5.1. So 5.1 squared, I'm just going to pretend to set it equal to the 4.8 squared and the 3.2 squared. And so 5.1 squared is 26.01. 4.8 squared is 23.04. And 3.2 squared is 10.24. So 26.01, is that equal to, or what's the relationship here, is it to the 33.28? Well, 33.28 is larger, so those two legs are larger, so this one has to be an acute triangle. And then we've got 2, 3, and 10. 2, 3, 10. Well, if we think about it, if we do 2 plus 3, that's 5. There's no way that we can have a triangle here, so this one is not a triangle. Because that 10 is going to be longer than the other two sides, 2 and 3. So this really wouldn't make sense. We wouldn't be able to have this. This is not a triangle. So for more examples on that, we're going to cover these later in the year. You're not going to have to worry too much about those. But if the two sides do not add up to the third side, or at least add up to the third side, then we know that this is not a triangle. So that's important to note.